Hello traders, so this is a very unnecessary and a stupid video which I am making. बहुत ही फालतू वीडियो बनाने जा रहा हूँ. इस वीडियो से आप कुछ सीखोगे नहीं, so you can skip it. So I received a few messages on Twitter that मैं सिर्फ profit वाली ही screenshot tweet करता हूँ. That I only tweet screenshots of the profits I make. I do not share my losses. So this video is dedicated to all those critics. वो उन सारे critics के लिए ये video dedicated है. By the way, I received a phenomenal response for the learning program and I am planning something for all of you now. If you are interested in learning technical analysis, please fill up the form. The link is given in the description box below this video. So let us now go to my profit and loss reports page. Let us look at how December is going. Let's select 1st December till yesterday. So here you go, made 68,000 profits till yesterday. Now let's look at what's there today. These are my open positions. Today I booked 36 plus 7 plus 9, that is 52,000. So all in all, as far as December is concerned, the total profits in 10 days comes to 52,000 plus 68,000, that is 1,20,000 profits, 1.2 lakhs in just 10 days. So today is 10th December 2019, making this video just after the markets. Now, as far as my honesty is concerned, these are all the trades that I have made in December. I have shared each and every trade on my Twitter. You can cross check. There is only one trade which has gone in loss out of these 10 trades. This trade in BPCL is just one trade, it's hedging. This iron condor in Nifty is also just one trade. So if you count, I have taken just 10 trades including 3 which I did today. Out of that, only one trade was loss making. So the accuracy comes to 9 out of 10, that is 90%. That one trade which has gone in loss is this one in JSW Steel. I have even shared that on Twitter. You can see this, right? तो अभी दिसंबर में सिर्फ एक ट्रेड ही गलत हुआ और उसका भी मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ट्वीट किया था. आई होप द क्रिटिक्स आर सेटिस्फाइड नाउ. जिनको ऐसा कोई डाउट था, आई होप कि उनको संतुष्टि मिल गई है और उनका मन शांत हो गया है. सो दिस वॉज अ प्रिटी स्टूपिड वीडियो एज पर माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो द नेक्स्ट वीडियो I will discuss about these 3 trades which I took today and we will try to understand the charts. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.